No jokes, this car has 4 misfire. I think it's a 4-cylinder, so has a misfire for every cylinder. What the fuck? A misfire for every cylinder. I never seen that before. Second goal. Today we have a beautiful 2018 Volvo V60 T6. Let's have a look. Okay, so right at the get-go, the car is spectacular. It's super clean, no damages outside. Really nice. Some light tail damage on the hood. That's what I only thing that I can spot. But take a look at this. So clean dashboard and no codes, no lights. Sorry, no, and a lot of codes. No dash, no engine lights and no lights on the dash, but a lot of codes. What I don't like already, this is what dealership use. This little plastic cards like this one for categorize all the vehicles, right? So you see, so there is a number, right? Looks like it's a lot number for the dealership, used 2018 Volvo V60 wagon white in the case. So second key, and this is the first key. All right, so this is what I don't like already. So means it wasn't a private, it wasn't through insurance, but was through the dealership. So I connected my scanner again without even expecting the engine bay or anything. Has 4 misfires. No jokes, this car has 4 misfire. I think it's a 4-cylinder, so has a misfire for every cylinder. What the fuck? A misfire for every cylinder. I never seen that before. It doesn't happen so often. It actually runs, it sounds good, it runs good, but you see, they're all broken. Be careful. I can teach you that. These are little tricks and tips, right, that most people don't know, but I know what to check. I know what to check. All right, so 4 misfire this car.